थोड़ा हैदराबाद के फर्स्ट तो आने ये एडवांटेज हो गया.
I'm extremely honored to be here at the Rachnotsav Event Academy. Firstly, I've seen Rachnotsav grow over a period of time. I've seen them really move from strength to strength. We were just discussing, Sanjay and I, that I had come and hosted an event many years ago for the brand Toyota, and at that point in time, I didn't even know that a company like this existed. But when I came down here and we actually became a part of that event, I was pleasantly surprised to see that the quality of work that they did, the kind of engagement they created with people was extremely innovative and very, very engaging for the audience. So I went back suitably impressed. And I come back today and I'm even more impressed to see that they've opened up so many new things that they're doing. So the wedding practice is a practice that I think is really, really grown over a period of time. But more than that, I also feel that places have their own unique cultures, and again we were talking about the leaps and bounds that the entire state has taken in technology, and I see that in the films that are made from here. But I also feel that still deep in its heart, everybody here has a sense of being rooted in tradition, but still have an eye towards what's the future. We were just talking outside about going to a library. I don't know how many of you ever go to a library now. Never. Because Google's your library, right? Google replaces most everything. You just type in anything and you get to know. But because it comes so easy, your respect for knowledge is also much less. Why is this important to an anchor? An anchor respects every piece of information that comes their way. And from the very beginning, I've been somebody who just loves information. One part obviously is that what are the things that the roles that an anchor will end up doing. The second is what are the various kinds of anchoring roles that are available, because they are very different one from the other. But the first part of it is an anchor should never forget that they are actually the bridge between everything. Everything is going wrong, but an anchor cannot panic. You cannot panic. An anchor panics, show's over.
1 minute. 1 minute.